Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Brian Kelly, and I'm reporting to you from my vehicle on this beautiful one day after the hurricane day. That hurricane just kind of brushed through, and I think it's headed to Virginia now, but fortunately, we didn't have any damage, so that's always a good thing. No one got hurt, so very happy about that. But anyway, I wanted to do a quick video because I got some really good news, some very important news that I want to share with you all. And that is about something that I myself personally am starting, totally independent of anything and anyone that I've dealt with as far as making money is concerned. Now, I will tell you that what I'm going to be launching in the next 20 to 30 days is, in my opinion, it's a showstopper. It's something that I've been kind of working on off and on for the last couple of months, and it's something that it's a skill that I'm going to teach you that will allow you to make as much money as you want to. Okay, I will tell you that this has nothing to do with network marketing. It has nothing to do with MLM. It has nothing to do with direct sales. This is something that you can do, and you don't have to depend on anyone for your income. You don't have to make sales in order to make money. Now, there's nothing wrong with that. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with that, but I am just talking to people, without a system in place, it's really difficult for people to make sales. Okay, I'm involved in a couple of opportunities myself. That's an exception. Those programs are really good, and they do have a system in place, so that's why it's relatively easy. But for the most part, a lot of different programs out there, they don't have things in place where you can actually, make money, and because it's not geared for them in the long run. But like I said, what I'm doing, I'm creating this myself. Okay, 100% Brian Kelly all the way. And this is something you probably never even heard of before, but it's very effective and it actually works. And most importantly, you're going to be able to make as much money as you want to for as long as you want to. And it's something that you can actually teach your kids or your grandkids for a long-term kind of thing. Okay, and I'm pretty excited about it. I'm kind of, I would say, 3/4 of the way finished with it, but I've got to, kind of put some more stuff into it. And every day I'm going to come on YouTube until it actually launches and kind of give you an update at how it's going and everything. And I just wanted to do this quick video just kind of to make you aware. Again, this is something you probably never, ever heard of before. And, like I said, I'm pretty excited about it. And it's something that's, I think it's pretty easy to learn. And I'm going to have an actual course that's going to teach you exactly how to do this, how to become successful at this. Okay, and so that's going to be coming up within the next 20 to 30 days. So be on the lookout for that. Again, I'm going to be giving you updates every day about this. I'll be doing the same thing on my Facebook page and so forth. But I'm looking forward to doing this, to sharing this with a lot of people. This is something that anyone can do from anywhere around the world, and it's not Forex. I'm not connected with some Forex company, and there's an MLM part. I'm not into that at all. By no means. There's nothing wrong with that, but me personally, I don't really want to be attached with the MLM portion of it. I want to be able to show someone independently how they can make money, and then they can learn a skill, a skill set where they will be able to make as much money as they want to, as long as they want to, and so forth. So with that being said, I just wanted to kind of give you guys a quick update as to what I'm going to be doing in the near future. I'm not quitting, the Prosperity Home Network or the Real Supermarket Magic. Those programs are fantastic and going really well. I will always continue to do those programs because they have been proven to be successful. But at the same time, I wanted to also show my fan base, if you will, or subscribers to my YouTube and Facebook, an optional way to make some money where they're not always having to depend on making sales and recruiting people and that sort of thing. And so, if I can do that, then I think I'll be a success, and I think that it would help out a great number of people from all around the world. Again, this is something that anybody can do. I'll show you how to do it. And most importantly is for people all around the world, Australia, New Zealand. I mean, no matter where you are, as long as you have an internet connection and a computer, then I can definitely show you how to do this. Okay, so with that being said, hope you guys have a great day and look forward to doing another video tomorrow. Thanks. Bye.